if your TLC CHUNGHOP remote stopped working with your TiVo box, performing a factory reset clears memory glitches instantly. Learning how to factory reset and fix TLC CHUNGHOP remote for TiVo restores seamless control across all your media channels without buying expensive replacements. Unresponsive button inputs typically happen when internal memory stores corrupted pairing codes, blocking signal transmission to the receiver. To clear this locked state, hold the set button until the red indicator lights up solid, then input the master reset combination to wipe temporary profile data. If that first step does not clear the error, the issue usually stems deeper in stored voltage cache, which brings us to method 2. Removing the power cells while holding the power button fully flushes leftover circuit charges, allowing a clean system start. Moving to method 3, keying in the official 4-digit TiVo brand code synchronizes infrared frequencies back to factory standards. Finally, executing method 4 locks in the profile by holding set and mute together, restoring full directional and volume control immediately. Follow these simple troubleshooting steps right now to make your TV controller perform brand new again today.